All right, folks, here's three stocks to watch this week. The first one we're looking at here is going to be AMD. I made a video on this last week. I'm just going to reiterate that I am absolutely a seller of AMD up here at 337. Okay, again, I don't care if it goes to 400. I don't care if it goes to 500. When you guys see this kind of separation off of the blue line, that blue line is the 4-year moving average. Okay, so we use the moving averages to tell us if we're getting a fair price. Okay, how do you know if you are getting a fair price for an asset? You buy it at the average, right? The average price. So this is the average price over 4 years. The white line is the average price over 1 year. Okay, if you come over here to the cheat sheet, again, the mean is just another word for average. When we're way up off of the mean, this is when people are excited, right? I bet you all get people in the comments calling me an idiot for saying that I'm a seller of AMD right now. But again, if you're following our strategy, you were buying AMD back here. Our buying strategy is to buy when this blue wave is down here below the white line. Okay, AMD was $80. We bought AMD at $80. Okay, and I think we sold somewhere around 170. Okay, obviously we didn't time the exact top, but still, that was 100% trade. Our goal here at Overkill Trading is to be consistent, not try to hope for tops, right? This has been a great move, but you guys can see the separation off that 4-year average. That tells us that we're way up here, right? We're way off the average. If you're buying stuff off of the average, you're buying it at a premium. If you're buying it at the average, you're buying it at a fair price. If you're buying it below the average, you're getting a discount. So as an investor, we want to buy when it's a fair price or a discounted price, never up here. Okay, this is when everyone's talking about it, everyone's having a good time. You can see we're literally sitting around 60% off of that average. I'm an absolute seller of AMD at these levels. The other one we're looking at here is SoFi. SoFi looks really good. So again, we got our two buy signals down here. Okay, back in March, right there around $15. You're already up around 25%. Again, we got a buy signal back here in 2025. In 2024, I tell you guys all the time, you get one good opportunity to buy your asset every year. Okay, that opportunity comes when this wave is down here given a green dot. Okay, July, it was down there at $6. It went up to 17. Last year, it was sitting right here at around $10. It went up to 30. Okay, again, everyone's excited about it up here, right? Everyone's having a good time up here at 30. Then after a pullback, people are quiet. Okay, so we're buyers of SoFi still. I really like it here at 18. And the last one is Snapchat. You guys know I've been bullish on this for a very long time. We got our signals down here around $4 or $5. We're looking for this one to explode back up here to 11. I think they have earnings coming up here very shortly, but this thing is literally sitting at an 8-year low right now. The last time we hit this price was back here in 2018. Okay, that was 8 years ago. It went from $5 all the way up to 80. I think this thing is very undervalued and reversing really hard here.